Why do you watch Ian?
Because you can watch it.
Well, I'll watch Ian. Ian! There you go. Say Merry Christmas. That's a loud engine, ain't it?
It's so loud.
Jeez.
Merry Christmas! I can barely hear you. Merry Christmas!
Merry Christmas. Damn, it is a loud engine. Yeah, you're fine.
Papa,
What?
is your grandfather's train?
That's my grandfather's train, yes. Yeah. This one's a new train. This is new. This is new, yes. I bought that 3 years ago. Okay. It is loud, huh? Okay, slow it down. Turn it that way. That way. Coming to a stop. Okay. Okay, you ready to shut it off? Flip the switch. Stick it up. There you go. You got it. Wow, that's a loud train, huh?
Yeah, it's my ears.
Hurt your ears? Papa's got a bigger one than this, too. We should hook it up, too, huh?
Yeah, and that, what is that?
That's an old steam engine.
Is that the old steam engine?
Yeah. It stopped blowing smoke. I have to get another one that blows smoke. You like that one.
This one?
No. That one doesn't blow.
This one is this one?
Oh, good. I feel banana bread. Oh, man.
This one is very old.
Yeah. Okay. Let me put it up for right now. Say goodbye.
Huh?
Say bye.
Bye.
Bye? Okay. Oh, show me what you got. Show me your toys you got. Show me what toys you got.
For Christmas?
Yeah.
At home?
What do you got? What you got in your hand? A transformer. Alright, buddy.
This thing is very old. Look at
Yeah.
all the marks on it.
I know it. That's my grandfather's train.
Well, how'd this happen?
Oh, that's from where it rubs. You just don't mess with that. I'll have to get it repainted. Okay, set it down there. Alright, we'll see you all later. We're gonna go play with something else now. Huh? What are we gonna play with?
Are we going to play with another train?
Yeah, we'll play with another train. Okay, goodbye.